Right, let's do example 4. We have the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, so sine 4a, sine 2a, cos 4a, cos 2a. So we see double angles there. Okay, sine 4a can be changed to 2 sine 2a, then cos 2a minus sine 2a, right? And we can see a common factor there. So let's leave it like that for now. And then cos 4a. Which one should we use here? Because we have 3 identities here for cos 4a. Let's check the right hand side first maybe. We have sine a over cos a. That is from tan a there. So we have cos a here. So for cos 4a, let's bring the one with 2 cos squared 2a. So this would be 2 cos squared 2a minus 1, that is cos 4a, then plus cos 2a, right? If you check the numerator here, this can be factorized, right? Even the denominator can be factorized because it can be written as what? As a trinomial, and then we factorize the trinomial, right? So in the numerator, the highest common factor is sine 2a. Let's factor it out. So it's sine 2a, and then we're going to have 2 cos 2a minus 1, right? And then the denominator can be written as 2 cos squared 2a plus cos 2a minus 1, right? This will be like what? Okay, let me put this as an algebraic expression and see. 2x squared plus x minus 1. We say 2x squared times 1, we get 2x squared. Get negative 2x squared. Then we look for the factors of negative 2x squared that can give us positive x. That will be positive 2x and negative 1x. It's going to be 2x squared plus 2x minus x minus 1. Then we factor out 2x here. Then get x plus 1. Then factor out negative 1 there. Get x plus 1. Right, then you get your x plus 1, then 2x minus 1. Okay, so it becomes, using what we just discussed here, will be cos 2a plus 1, and then 2 cos 2a minus 1. And then you get your sine a cos a, right? And then now this bracket divided by this bracket will give us what? 1. So we remain with sine 2a over cos 2a plus 1. And then right hand side we have sine a over cos a. Right, what can we do with this? You can see double angle formula there. Even here we can see double angle formula there. Let's stick to the one with cos squared a. So the top part will be 2 sine a cos a, and then over, then here we're going to say this is 2 cos squared a minus 1 plus 1. Right, then we have sine a cos a. Remember, we can have different approaches when it comes to this. And then negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so we remain with 2 sine a cos a over 2 cos squared a. Right, sine a cos a this side. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 1 cos a here, we'll cancel 1 cos a, we remain with 1 cos a. So this is 1 sine a over cos a. And then sine a over cos a. Right, we have proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side.